Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about how you can easier make your one tool website in order to start making money from. So very quick, I will explain what is a tool website is. So actually it's a simple website that offering the tools dependent on what you are offering and free or paying to. So most of the two websites are paid to and it's going to be like membership. But other website tool that offering tools for free and they making money from Google AdSense by advertisement. So in this video we are going to explain how you can make your one website tool and it's going to be for free for people and you can start making money by advertisements by linking your website with Google AdSense. So here is our website. It's called Torino.xyz. I already made a video about this website and I explained too many things. So really quick here I will explain to you. So Torino.xyz is a website that offering all these tools for free. So most of these tools are paying tools in other websites. Like for example, if you go to Article Reverter and you click on it inside this page, Article Reverter, all you have to do, you can simply get any article from any other website and paste it right here and click on Reword Article. And the website, what he's going to do, he's going to use the AI generating for you a new article with unique keywords, unique words, and you can use it, this article, they copy and paste it inside your website or inside your blog, and you can start making money from if it is a blog or whatever it is. So this is basically what is a tool website. So this is a small introduction and explication about it. So this is it what Torino offers. There are too many tools here. But in our video, we are going to explain how you can make a similar website but in a different way. So what we are going to offer it inside this website is video downloader. So if you click on video downloader right here inside Torino.xyz, it's going to redirect you inside into other website. It's the same website but in another tool. So inside downloader.torino.xyz, you can find this amazing tool. So what is this tool offering for you is helping you to download any kind of the video from all these social media platforms or all these platforms. So let's say for example that you want to download a video from Facebook, you simply go click on Facebook and you get the link of the video that you want and you paste it right here and you click on download and it's going to give you the video and you can download it from this website. Simply you can take any platform that you want to download the video from and you can download any video. So to make a video like this one, to make a website like this one, offering this amazing tool to download videos, and you can start making money from by advertisement. Simply, you have to have the script of this website because this is a PHP script. This is not building with WordPress. So it will be more easier and more quick for you to make the website. So if you don't have any idea about PHP script, there are too many tutorials on YouTube. You can learn about it. But basically it is a website building with using multiple languages and most of it is PHP, and you can simply upload the script inside your web hosting and you can install it on your domain or subdomain and it's going to be ready for you to use it. All you have to do is change the same thing like the logo, the text and That's it. Like, you don't need to change much stuff. So let's get started. So I'm not going to cover in this video how you can get web hosting. You can simply get web hosting from Hostinger. If you don't know Hostinger, it's the best for me, of course. It's the best web hosting company because it's offering too many like offers, packages. Like for example, here you can see by paying a package for starting for $3 a month is going to giving you to share to host 100 websites, right? So they have too many good offers. So that's why I like Hostinger, and it's the most popular company. So I recommended this company. It's not sponsoring video, so I just like the company, and I'm sharing my experience with you guys. So anyways, let's go back. So here, let's say that you have web hosting and you have a domain, and you want to install this script. So first of all, you have to get the script. I will leave the script in the link description, and you can use it. So how you can use the script? You simply go to your go to your web hosting. Here, like I'm using Hostinger, you go to website and you can choose the domain name that you want to install the script on it. So in my case, I'm using subdomain. So they are not videos. I did not find any videos on YouTube talking about how you can install PHP script on subdomain, specifically on Hostinger, which is the most popular company for hosting website. People use it around the world, and in this case I will be the first one, I think, covering this video. Anyway, so let me explain. Let's say that you have a domain name and you want to install on it the script. Okay, so it will be more simple and more easy. So all you have to do, you go to your website right here and you choose the domain name. So I'm not going to use this domain name right here because I install another website on it. So I want to install this script inside the subdomain. And if you do not know what is subdomain is, it's simply the same domain name but is covering another name. Like for example, here if we go to Google and we type turino.xyz, it's the real, it's the first domain, the basic domain. It's called turino.xyz. This is our website, right? But I don't want to get a different domain name. I want to make the same domain name with just a different word, like to redirecting me to the second page. Let's say it's not other website, it will be like a second page, because the whole idea of this website is a website that offering tools, right? So you can see here we have the tool inside the menu. So when we click on it, it's going to redirecting me to the second page, it which the other website. So it's going to redirecting the user inside this website. It will be like a page for him, right? With the same logo and the same name and everything. But the difference here is the tool. So all the user he had to do to pass the video URL right here, and he can download it. Okay, so I'm using here downloader, if you see, .turino.xyz, and the basic domain is turino.xyz. So this is it. What is a subdomain? The subdomain, you can edit the name here between HTTPS and the real domain name. So you can edit any name that you want, matching at your idea. So in my case, because it's a downloader website offering a tool that download videos, I edit downloader.turino.xyz. So it be very simple, right? And makes sense. Okay, so how you can install, in my case, I am going to cover in how you can install that on subdomain. So how you can do that, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and inside our WordPress dashboard we go to subdomain, and we go to subdomain right here, and we can edit any domain name right here. We can edit any name matching to our domain. Okay, so in my case is test.domain.demo.ga. So this is the domain, the subdomain. Okay, so after I get my subdomain, after you click here and you type any name that you want and you click on create, it's going to make for you a subdomain. And what you need to do, you need to create a database. So to do that, you simply go to database right here, and you click on MySQL database, and it's going to redirect you to this page. So here you can type any name that you want and any username that you want. It's going, and make sure to keep them the same name to be more easier for you to remember, and make sure to save these two names inside text tab, new tab, and the password, give it a password and save it. So we are going to do that in a minute. So let give it a name. So here I give it a name, here same, and here I want to give it password. After I give it the name and username and the password, I click on create. It tells me that I have to make a big letter here and click on create. Okay. We wait a few seconds until he creates for you a database. Right, so successfully he created for us a new database. If you see here, we have new database creating for us. So what we need to do, we need to edit the script inside our database. So how we can do that? Because we are using subdomain, we have to go back to dashboard, and inside the dashboard you are not going to see the subdomain. You're going to see the main domain, like the basic domain. So don't worry, all you have to do, you have to go to File Manager and click on it. Because when you creating your subdomain, it's going to asking you to give a name, as we say, inside the subdomain. This name right here, and this name, because it is a test, is going to be a folder inside the File Manager, inside the domain name, your basic domain. So you're going to find a folder, and inside of this folder you can edit the script. So here you can see is trying to access to the File Manager, and you can see here we have public HTML, and when we click on public HTML, it's going to redirect me inside the files that I have them inside my one domain name. So I find my subdomain right here is test, and when I click on it, is give me this file. I can upload my folder script inside this folder. So let me upload it and go back to you. Okay, so after the file is done uploaded, the zip file is going to be disabled inside the folder that we have for this subdomain. So here what you need to do, you need to click on the zip file and right click and left click, then you go to extract and you click on extract, and you can choose the direction. So because we are inside test file inside the subdomain, make sure to create a new folder. So name it anything. So we can type the word right here and we click on extract. So when he extracts all the files, it's going to be inside this folder that we created. So what we need to do, we need to click on this folder and we open it. It's going to give us all these folders. So here, because we are inside the folder, we need to redirect these folders, these files, inside the folder like that. So what we do, we select all files like that, and we click left click, and then we click to go to move files, and we choose the top one, and we go without any name. The top one should be without any name, and we go to move, click on it, and we wait 2 seconds. Right, so he redirect all folders inside the text file. So why? Because he's going to redirect it from public HTML to test file, which means he's linked with the subdomain. If you keep the files inside the folder that you created, it's not going to work. And if by mistake you choose all folders, and when you extract them from the zip file and you direct them to the public HTML file, it's going to be inside the folder, the basic domain, that's the my domain that you created, not the subdomain, and it's not going to work. So make sure to make the files inside your subdomain, but inside the name of the folder, like that. So here what we need to do, we have to delete the file that we created and the zip file also, so we don't have any problem. We delete them because we don't need them, and now we have all files ready, so we can simply open the script and start installing. Amazing. So after you open your subdomain, as you see, it's going to be /install, and it's going to redirect you to installing page, and that's very simple. So here all we have to do, we have to click on let's go, and it's going to check all the necessary permission inside your hosting, and everything is fine, and you click on continue. And here we have to edit the Prussian code. So I will skip this setup right here. So you have to edit your Prussian code, and you can edit your localhost if it's localhost, and the database port is 3306. If it like it is, don't change anything. And here what we need to do, we have to edit the database name and the username and the password that we create them. So how we can get them? Simply we go back to our dashboard right here, and we go back to database, and inside database we scroll down a little bit, and you can see the database that we created is here, and we have to copy all this like this, and we go back to scripts, then we go to database name and we pass it right here, and inside the username also we do the same thing, and the password, we have to give it the password that we created for our database. That's why I'm telling you to save it inside the tab text so you don't lose it. Okay, so after you click on it, you click continue. In this, the first etap I showed you, I skipped this etap a little bit because I edit my Prussian code. So here you have to edit email and the password from your choice. So it go back to you which email and password that you want to do to edit. So in my case, I will edit this email, and I will edit any password, and we click on continue. Right, so he creating the script for us. Now we click on continue, and congratulations, we creating our new website. So we can see our website now. We click on view your new website, and he's going to redirect us inside our website as you see right here. So our download website tool is ready to use. So all we have to do is same changement. So how you can do this changement, I'm not going to put it everything, guys, because the video is going to be too longer. So I'm going to give you just an idea, and that very simple, because it's very simple and you don't need to show you this. So here you go to log in, and it's going to redirect you to login page. You edit the email. You edit the email that you register with and the password, and you click on login. A few seconds, he's going to redirect you to your dashboard inside his website. So what you need to do, you simply can go to settings and you go start make your changement. So here in general you can see you have the basic changement, like the top, like the colors and the image, and you can see here you have other things. You can change your social media links, you can make changes inside your menu, you can make changes inside your header and inside your footer, and the most important thing here is the API keys. So how you can get them, I will simply show you a quick that, guys. So you simply go to Facebook, because Facebook and Instagram need to cookies APIs. So how you can get them, you click on how to get Facebook cookies, you click on them, and it's going to redirect you to another website, and inside this website there are a video showing you how you can get the cookies, and just following the tutorial and you can get the cookies, pass them here. And for Instagram the same thing, you pass them right here and you make all changements, necessary changements for your website, and your website is ready and you can use it and you can start making money from it. So let me show you about how you can make money. You can go to advertisement right here. If you see in settings, you can go to advertisement, and if you have a Google AdSense account, all you have to do, you have to get same traffic to your website, this one, to your website, and as you see, the area for the ads are ready for you. So you just edit the code from ads right here and disable it, and it's going to be disabled inside your website and visible for the users, and you can see the ads and you can start making money with the people try to download videos using your website tool. So this is for today, and hopefully this video very helpful for the people who are looking to make a website tool and start making money from. This is great idea, and hopefully you can start making money from it. So guys, this is for today, and I will leave all link inside this video inside description. You can download them and start use them. So see you next video, guys, and have a nice day.